Hi boys and girls. We don't have math groups today. So today for math, I'm going to read you a story called Sorting. And then we're going to work on another page in our math journal. I also have a couple Seesaw activities assigned for you to do in Seesaw about patterns and some numbers. Here's our story, Sorting. What a mix-up. Look at all these toys mixed up. How could you sort them? You could sort them by animals. You could put all the animals in a group. By buttons. 4 cars. And 6 pencils. Look how the animals have been sorted, like this. So now they sorted the animals. What did they put all together here? Cows, sheep, and horses. So now they sorted the animals by what kind of animal they are. The pencils have also been sorted in a special way. They sorted them by color. They put yellow together, red together, and green together. When things are sorted together, they're called a set. This is a set of buttons. Everything in this set is red. What kind of set is this? What do we call this set? They're all different kinds of balls, right? We could call that the ball set or the circle set. How many different ways could you sort these flowers? You could sort them by color and put all the yellows together and all the purples together and all the pinks together. You could maybe sort them by shape, like if they have really pointy petals or round petals. You could sort them by size, big flowers, little flowers. And these fruits, how could we sort all the fruits? We could do big or small. We could do fruits you have to cut and fruits you don't have to cut. You could do it by color, yellow fruits, red fruits, green fruits. Lots of different ways to sort. Things that make up a set have something in common. Like this is a set of toys. All of these things are toys. And these are things found in a bathroom. What do these things have in common? That's right, they're all for cleaning. And what about these? They're all things we wear on our feet. We talk about sets of trains. That would be like a group of trains. Or sets of books. Like a group of books that go together. They even have a set of bingo cards. This is a set of dishes. This is a container for silverware. The spaces are used to set for knives, forks, and spoons. When you set a table, each person has a place. What do you notice about each setting? It looks like they each have a plate, they each have a napkin, they each have silverware and cups. Sometimes all the things in a set are identical. Each wheel on a car has to be exactly the same. Would this extra wheel fit on this car? I don't know. It has to be the same size. There is something special about this set of dowels. How do they fit together? Have you seen these before? The littlest one goes inside that one, then goes inside that one, then goes inside that one. Yeah. If you go into a supermarket, you will find vegetables. They're grouped together. All the carrots are together, the celery is together, the green onions are together. Are the same kinds of fish grouped together? Yeah, it looks like it. What about the bread? How does this help you find the things you want to buy? So when we have the bread, there's signs that show us what type of bread, and then also we maybe know what it looks like, so we can look for the shape. If you collect a group of objects, see how many different ways you could sort them. The end. Now, you're going to be doing another page in your September math journal. And the page we're going to work on today is all about seeds. And it looks like this. So before we can get started, we have to read what the question of the problem is so we know what to do. It says, Danny collected 9 brown sunflower seeds. So I know that if I'm following the directions, I need to get a brown crayon out, and I need to color 9 seeds brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There. I colored 9 seeds brown. Now if you're still coloring, you can pause this video, and when you're finished coloring, you can keep playing it, because I'm going to move on. The next thing it says in our problem up here is Lucy found 0 seeds. How many did they find in all? Well, I know Danny had 9, and that I need to write 9 on this line right here. So I'm going to do that. Okay. So Danny found 9. I wrote 9, and I colored 9 seeds. And then it says Lucy found 0. So 0 is going to go in the next space. Like that. Then it asked me the question, how many did they find in all? So if we add up all the seeds they found together, how many did they find? Who knows the answer? 9 plus 0 still equals 9. Because 0 is nothing, so if we're not really adding anything to 9, it stays the same. So now we have our number sentence. 9 plus 0 equals 9. And we didn't have to color any more seeds because Lucy found 0. So now we're ready to cut. Put your thumb on the top. You can start where the scissors are, right here, and cut all the way across on the dotted line. All the way across, all the way to the other side, like that. So now you have 2 pieces. Then you can cut your seeds out. Follow the dotted lines, cut carefully. Remember to keep your thumb on the top and turn your paper instead of turning your scissors. Now, sometimes it's easier to just keep it in a bunch like this, but if you want to, you can cut them all apart too and glue them on. That's up to you. So now you have 1 seed left that you're going to throw away that we don't need. And then you're going to get your glue stick out and glue your seeds in the middle of your paper. So I use my glue, and then ta-da! Great job. Remember, if I went a little too fast for you, that's okay. You can just pause the video and then play it again when you're ready. I'm so proud of you. Now you know 9 plus 0 equals 9, and you showed it with your seeds. Good work in your math journal today.